Struggling to find the description editor in the YouTube Studio app? I get it. That menu layout can be really confusing at first, but I will show you exactly where it is in under 2 minutes. So here is the plan. First, we will access your content. Then, select the video you want to edit. From there, we enter edit mode, modify the description, and finally, save your changes. It is simpler than it looks, I promise. Let us start with the first step. The reason people get stuck here is because the app hides your video list behind a specific tab. So open up your YouTube Studio app and look at the very bottom of your screen. You will see a row of buttons. Tap the one that says Content. That is your video library. It might take just a second to load everything up, but once it does, you are ready for the next part. Now that you can see all of your videos, scroll through the list until you find the one you want to change. Tap directly on that video. This opens up the Video Details page. That is your Edit button. Tap on it. Now you are in the actual editing dashboard for that video. And here is the really important part. You are now in the editing screen. It is a bit longer with a lot of options. You need to scroll down. Keep scrolling past the title and the thumbnail settings. Eventually, you will see a section that says Description. Tap directly inside that text box. You can now type whatever you want. You can add links, update timestamps, or just rewrite the whole thing. Take your time getting it right. Once you are happy with the new description, we need to save it. Look up at the top right corner that says Save. Tap that. Your changes are now live. And that is all there is to it. You now know exactly how to find and edit that description, no matter which device you are using. Thanks for sticking with me. Happy editing.